Take a ride in the 2021 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power lift gate, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, clock, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.